I'm Jess.
I'm Jake.
I'm Yvette.
We also have 3 other members, Donald, Paula and Mary. Do you remember their names? We founded in 2016 as artists at art school in the last year, and we just wanted to see exciting contemporary art in the city.
The aim of the organisation is to give opportunities to emerging artists and to nurture relationships with the artists we work with.
I think the best thing about working together is that we get so much support from working with people that we know, and we didn't actually start all as friends, and actually everyone told us, oh, if you are friends you'll never be friends at the end of it. And actually we've bonded a lot and learned a lot about how to deal with people as well. We all work in such different ways, so it's just been so nice to learn a lot about interacting and how you gauge different personalities and just work towards like a really beautiful whole.
And I think understanding each individual's skill and kind of like allowing that to just kind of develop naturally, and understanding that some people will kind of take a back seat in some things and take a forefront in other things, and for that to be okay, and not everybody has to do everything, or just understanding each other's needs.
And being able to bring art that we want to see to the city that we're from or live in. So,
yeah, it's an amazing opportunity that we have to alter where we live, which is quite rare, I think.
And to be like the main, to be able to bring something that we want and just do it, rather than kind of waiting for something to happen.
Definitely. The challenges we face mainly as an artist-run initiative in Aberdeen are the lack of space in the city and trying to find somewhere to call home, and probably funding as well.
Sustaining funding on a long-term basis. I guess another challenge that we face is time, because we're all working, so finding time where we can all meet is a challenge, and finding enough time, even with months in advance of a project, finding enough time to do the work is a challenge.
Yeah, and I think just being able to adapt to these challenges together is crucial, because some people are better at dealing with people, some people are better dealing with numbers, and it's just really nice to have a lot of variety in a group where someone can face them without worry, and then someone else freaks someone else out, they're like, oh, no problem. So
I think also sometimes challenges can kind of be flipped into positives. For example, when we're working with an artist, we don't have somewhere where they can stay, like a hotel, we just don't have the funding for that, but in return they can live with us for the duration of the time that they're in Aberdeen, and that forms really strong relationships and friendships, of course. It kind of allows an intimate way of working with the artists, We're really excited to see how Tendency Towards will develop going forward, and kind of what projects will arise, and the different ways that we might work.
And how the structure might change.
Yeah. The context of where we are might change, and it's exciting to know how we'll adapt to that.
I think probably we would advise artists to be brave and kind of go for it, but also to kind of figure out what you want from what you're doing. So and to kind of be open to changing that or allowing that to develop as you kind of learn and experience different things.
To be malleable but still stay true to what you actually want.
Yes.